Wow, what an incredible, stunning experience. I don't know about you, but I feel stunned as a result of sensory overload. We had more than 1,700 participants from 57 countries for 5 days of content. In comparison, in 2018, we had 450 participants from 23 countries, and it was only 3.5 days. We had to extend it this year because of the additional amount of content. So these numbers reflect the tremendous growth in the field. And the virtual platform has certainly facilitated attendance and participation by the keynote and special lecturers. The program included 9 keynote and special lectures, more than 250 scientific presentations, 19 panels with 108 panelists, 31 roundtables, and 7 fireside chats. Thank you all for participating and for your very hard work in preparing the material for presentation. A particular thanks to the Focused Ultrasound Foundation team, who exhibited a heroic effort in rapidly pivoting from the in-person meeting to the virtual platform and assembling this absolutely incredible program. And thank you to the sponsors who made the meeting possible. This is the first time we've had a virtual symposium. As you experienced, there were abundance of challenges and glitches, including technical issues, logistics, scheduling problems, and so on. The good news is that all of these are readily addressable and future meetings will be much better. But thanks for bearing with us, and we solicit your feedback as to how to improve the experience. The purpose of this meeting, the symposium, is to share information and knowledge, to foster collaborations leading to partnerships and strategic relationships, and very importantly, to have fun. The technology proved highly effective for sharing information and knowledge. Pre-recording the presentations allowed very much time for discussions leading to collaboration. The collaboration part of it was much better than we had anticipated. However, we really missed the social aspect of seeing you in person. We need to form personal relationships, friendships that create this sense of community that is so special about focused ultrasound. We desperately need your input as to how to fill that gap in the future. Progress in the field of focused ultrasound is astonishing. The research leading to our understanding of all the mechanisms of action that have been translating into a superabundance of new indications, new clinical trials, regulatory approvals, reimbursement, manufacturers, and investment in the manufacturing segment, the number of treatment sites, and the number of patients treated. As we've said before, evolution in fields like focused ultrasound occurs exponentially. We have passed the inflection point of this curve, and the dialogue has shifted, clearly shifted from if focused ultrasound will have a major role in the therapeutic armamentarium to when, from if to when. And of course, the challenge for all of us is to make if and when now. But more importantly, we're just beginning to transition from primarily a research and development environment to the very beginning of a commercial treatment environment, where focused ultrasound's vision of improving the lives of millions of people around the world with a wide variety of serious medical disorders by creating a revolution in therapy using this amazing game-changing technology and at the same time creating a new multi-billion-dollar industry. Well, looking to the future, please pay attention to the next ISTU meeting in June 2021 and the European meeting, which will be in October in Rome, hopefully in person in 2021. And our intent is in 2022 to have the 8th International Symposium on Focused Ultrasound as a hybrid meeting, in person and virtual, in Bethesda, Maryland. We will supplement this with a fairly robust number of workshops this year and next year. Well, again, thank you for all the participants. Thanks to the Focused Ultrasound Foundation team, and thanks for the sponsors. As a follow-up, you can see the entire program online for the next 90 days on this symposium platform, and the written proceedings will be available by year end. Thank you. Stay safe, be well, be happy.